Welcome to Raghava International Statistical Institute. So today we'll see how to summarize healthcare data. You know, after data collection, what we need to do, we can present data by table or graph. And also we can summarize data by number. So there are three things we can do after data collection. One is we can present data by table, or we can present data by graph, or we can summarize data by number. There are three options, but which one is more accurate? The third one, summarizing data by number, because this is number, not like graph. Because from graph, we can able to see only rough things. We can able to get rough idea about the process. But if you use the third one, if you summarize your data by number, we can able to see the exact picture. So this is the advantage of third one. So today we'll see how to summarize our data by number. Okay? Yes. So this is the data I'm going to summarize. So I have entered two variables in Minitab. The first variable about patient age, second one is patient gender. For example, emergency. In emergency room, if you collect data like this, how to summarize this data by number? So this is the raw data from each patient. 82 is the age from the first patient and the gender male. Similarly, from second patient, 61 age and what is the gender female. Similarly, from each patient. So I took raw data. Okay. So totally how many patients I have? 106. So the sample size is 106. Okay. If you are going to present data by number, what are things we need to do in data diagnosis? Always in statistical analysis, the first step we need to do data diagnosis, like patient diagnosis. So what are things we need to do under data diagnosis? The first one is the variable. So here we have two variables. One is patient age, another one is gender. The next one is the type of data. So what is our first variable? Patient age. This is which type of data? We have four types of data. Continuous, discrete, nominal, and ordinal data. So patient age comes under which type of data? Continuous or discrete or nominal or ordinal? Continuous data. Measurable data. If it is measurable, how to summarize? How to present this data by number? The first thing we need to check whether data follow normal distribution or not. We cannot choose without testing normality. So first we need to test normal distribution. If it is normal, we can use mean with the standard deviation. There are two things we need to use for summarizing data through number. Not only mean. We need to calculate two things, the location and variability. Suppose if it is not normally distributed, what we need to do? We cannot use mean and standard deviation. We need to go for median and interquartile range. So this is the option for summarizing data by number. We cannot use simply mean for all data, no. If we got data like this, what is the first step we need to do? Check your type of data, quantity, then check normal distribution. Yes, now we'll see whether patient age normally distributed or not. How to check normal distribution in Minitab? Just to go to stat, choose basic statistics, then choose normality test. So here just click on the patient age, then click OK. No need to choose any other option. Click OK. Yes. See? So this is the normality test. How much the p-value? See? P-value is equal to 0.033. So 0.033 is less than 0.05, which indicate the data is not normal because it's significant. So this is not a normal data. Also, it is proved by graph also. There is scatter here. Okay. So this is not a normal data. So what is the tool we need to use for summarizing patient age? Median and interquartile range. Here we cannot use mean because this is not a normal data. So how to calculate median and interquartile range? Yes, we'll see in the data sheet. Go to stat, choose basic statistics, then choose display descriptive statistics. Here we can choose the patient age, then go to statistics. Here what we need to do, we need to calculate median and interquartile range. If you want, we can choose the range also, minimum maximum also, but we cannot choose we cannot use mean. So just remove mean and standard error of the mean, standard deviation, remove all other things. Yes, only choose first quartile, third quartile, no need. Interquartile range is good. And median. Then click OK. Click OK. See? Now we can able to see what is the minimum age here, 1 year old. And what is the maximum, 98 years. And what is the median, 44, with the interquartile range of 35. So this is the location and this is the variability. Here we cannot use mean. So 44, median 44 with the interquartile range of 34. The location is 44 and variability, an average age is 44 and the variability is 35. So this is what we need to do for summarizing data by number. So always don't choose without testing. Don't choose any statistical tool without testing of normal distribution. Check your type of data and if it is measurable, test normality. If it is normal, use mean with the standard deviation. If it is not normal distributed, use median with the interquartile range. Okay, so this is what we need to do for quantitative data. Now we'll see how to summarize qualitative data, because our next variable gender is qualitative, especially nominal data, because there is no order among the category. So this is nominal data. So if it is quality, how to summarize our data? Here we cannot use mean or median or standard deviation or interquartile range, because mean, median, mode sometimes we can use for quality, but mean, median, standard deviation, interquartile range only for quantitative data. If it is quality, how to summarize? We can use just frequency and percentage. Maximum, we can use only frequency and percentage for all qualitative data. So how to calculate the frequency and percentage? Just go to stat, then choose table, then choose tally individual variable. The first option. Click on the first one, then click on gender. Here we can choose count, and count means frequency, and then we can choose percentage also. Then click OK. Yes, see, within a second we can able to see count. Count means how many female, how many male, and what is the percentage. So we have total patient 106, sample size is 106, out of 106, 68.38 peoples were female, I mean patients, and 39.62 were male. So this is the percentage of each occurrence. That's all. This is the maximum thing we can do for qualitative data. We cannot do median or mean. So for all quantitative data, first we need to check normality. If it is normal, use mean with the standard deviation. If it is not normal, use median with the interquartile range. So there are two options for quantity, either first one or second one. But if it is quality, there is no option. The only option, frequency with the percentage. This is the basic in statistics, and this comes under descriptive statistics. After data collection, we can present data by table or graph or number. But number is mandatory. The advantage of summarizing data by number, if we present data by number, we can go for some further analysis. But if we present data by graph, it is not possible to do further analysis in statistics. So this is the advantage of summarizing data by number. Okay, thank you.